Well, 2008 Ford Fusion, 3.0 liter, cylinder 2 Misfire. Pulled the intake manifold. Ignition coils burned the hell up. I mean, it's already been replaced and it's burned up already. You can see, where's it at? Right here. It's all rotten, burned up. Before you even pull this out of the car, you can smell the burned coil without even pulling it out of the motor. So, per the TSB for 08, it says replace the coil and the plug for the identified cylinder misfire. So I did. Didn't change anything, still bad. So then I come over here to the computer and pull up data logger. Come over here, pull up data logger, and I'm looking at my spark duration for all my cylinders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then all of a sudden I'm looking right here and I'm like, wait a second, it's not even driving that at all. It's not even trying to do anything. So then I ohm out my wires from my coil over to the PCM, no problems there at all. You look at 06 and 07, and there's actually a TSB that says when this starts happening and the coil and the plug go bad, also the PCM has to be replaced. All the ignition coils and the PCM has to be replaced in this situation. But for 08, they don't list it, even though it's the same part numbers, it's the same parts, nothing has changed. The 08 still does the same thing, where the PCM, the ignition coils, and the plugs have to be replaced. So now we have to try to find a PCM. Nobody's got one in stock.